5 simple ways to achieve a better life. Hi, my name is Kevin Miller. I'm 57 years old and live in a small town near Boston, Massachusetts. I've been a medicinal chemist at one of the biggest U.S. universities for over 25 years now. My biggest dream was to help people like me live better and spread awareness on what are the proper ways to manage and achieve healthy nerve functioning. But over the time, I discovered some tips and tricks that anyone who wants to support the normal functioning of the body nerves can easily follow. So please, listen up to the following recommendations. If you are interested, please click the link below the video. 1. Exercise. Exercise is a good way to support your body nerve. This is one of the most simple ways one can do for their well-being. Exercise is also great at supporting a normal functioning of blood sugar levels. 2. Quit smoking. Smoking is a risk of many diseases, which may narrow and damage peripheral blood vessels. The solution: just quit smoking. 3. Control blood sugar levels. The 3 golden rules here are very simple. Pay attention to what you eat, limit alcohol intake, and avoid unnecessary stress. 4. Take care of your feet. Many people are prone to foot injuries. That is why it's crucial to inspect your feet every day, and remember, always try to wear comfortable shoes. 5. Vitamins. Some vitamins and minerals may support nerve health. Ask your doctor if it is okay for you to add B-complex vitamins, vitamin E, omega-3 fatty acids, magnesium, and calcium into your diet. My lifetime vision is that of a world where everybody can easily live a normal life. That's why I've spent most of my research activity trying and testing various ways that could really make a positive impact on people's lives. Based on this research, I've searched for a natural, inexpensive mix of vitamins, plants and herbs that, combined with the tips above, could help anyone support their health. And after many trials, I've perfected a simple, yet powerful formula, consisting of Passiflora incarnate Corydalis Yanwoshua California poppy seeds prickly pear marshmallow root. I couldn't keep this all to myself. So, together with the help of some friends who own a small supplement company, I've decided to produce it and make it available for everybody. We called it Nervigen Pro. If you are interested, please click on the link below the video to learn the full content.